Welcome to 56 Southeast L Street Loop, Madras, Oregon. This 4-bed, 2-bath house is 1,755 square feet on a corner lot with a fenced backyard, ductless heat pump, irrigation system for the front yard, built in 2000, has parking on the side. Just a beautiful home, nice layout, excellent location in town as well. Now through the front door, here in the great room area, looking towards the dining room. That door you see in the back leads to the covered back patio, back porch. Storage closet kitchen has granite countertops, stainless appliances. It's expansive, has a newer vent hood, spot for the microwave. It's a tile floor in here, and then laminate flooring in the dining area and the living area. Ceilings are vaulted. The primary bedroom fits a king-size bed comfortably with 2 end tables, room for a workout area, has a nice walk-in closet, big picture window with blinds in place. The bathroom has its own linens closet too. Nice newer countertops. And the shower. The larger of the guest bedrooms. Nice view out on the backyard. The smaller of these 2 guest bedrooms in the back, still good size. The guest bathroom, tub shower combination, tile floors, newer vanity. It's in great shape. And the 4th bedroom here straight ahead. Pretty good size. Looks out onto the backyard. And this is a bit of a mud room for coming in from the back. Off the covered deck. And there's an additional playroom here. It can be used as a bedroom. Does have a closet. The floor plan is open, expansive, and it's nice that you have 4 bedrooms and an extra den that could be used as a bedroom if needed.